Welcome. This is question from GATE 2015 Electronics branch. So this is a simple inverting amplifier. Input voltage is given to your minus terminal or inverting terminal. This is the feedback. These are the feedback elements, and the non-inverting terminal or the positive terminal is grounded. So we have to find the value of this resistance R in kilo ohm. And we are given the voltage gain V0 upon Vin is equal to minus 12. So we have to find the value of this resistance in kilo ohm, and this is a numerical answer type question. So we will solve this question by simple virtual ground concept and KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So by virtual ground concept, this voltage is 0 volt because inverting terminal is grounded. So this voltage will also be equal to 0 volt. Now we will apply KCL at this point. So the outgoing current is 0 minus V in upon 10. This is 0. Let this voltage be V2. So plus 0 minus V2 upon 10 equal to 0, because this current, that is the current going inside the op amp, will be 0 ampere, because the input resistance of ideal op amp is infinite. So this current will also be 0. Both these currents are 0. So we will only have two currents, one going this outgoing current and this outgoing current. So there will only be two outgoing currents. So if we solve it, we will get V in equal to V2, or V in equal to minus of V2. V in equal to minus of V2. This is the first equation. We have got V in equal to minus of V2. Now we will apply KCL at this node. So there are three outgoing currents. One is this outgoing current, then this is second outgoing current, this is third outgoing current. So V2 minus 0 upon 10 plus V2 minus V0 upon 10 plus V2 upon R equal to 0. Okay, so by taking the LCM, we will get V2 plus V2 minus V0 plus 10 V2 upon R equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation. Now we know that V in equal to minus of V2. V in equal to minus of V2. So we will substitute. So this becomes 2V2. V2 plus V2 is 2V2. So V2 becomes minus 2V in minus of V0, and V0 is equal to minus of 12V in by this. So we can write here plus 12V in and V2 equal to minus of V1. So minus 10V in upon R equal to 0, because V0 equal to minus 12 into V input. So minus 2V in plus 12V in will become 10V in. V in and V in can get cancelled. So 10 minus 10 upon R equal to 0. So 10 equal to 10R. So R will be equal to 1 and unit will be kilo ohm, because all other resistances were also in kilo ohm. So simply we have found out the value of the resistance R, and it is equal to 10 kilo ohm. So this is a very easy way we can solve this question. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and also share with your friends. Thank you.